Hey everyone! Drones are no longer just for hobbyists or aerial photography. They're becoming powerful multi-purpose tools used in everything from delivery services and agriculture to search and rescue missions and military operations. But how useful are they really, and where is this technology headed? Let's break it down. Unlike regular consumer drones, multi-purpose drones are equipped with advanced AI, sensors, and automation to handle different tasks. Some have thermal cameras for night vision, others can carry and drop payloads, while some are designed for autonomous navigation. They can be used for mapping terrain, delivering packages, inspecting infrastructure, and even assisting in disaster relief. Many modern drones also integrate with 5G networks, GPS, and smart home systems for remote control and real-time data transmission. Each product has their pros and cons. Let's start with the pros first. Versatile, used for surveillance, agriculture, delivery, and emergency services. Reduces human risk, used in dangerous environments like firefighting, automated and efficient with AI-powered flight and obstacle detection. Great for businesses, helping with inspections, deliveries, and data collection. Now it's time for the cons. Expensive, especially high-end industrial models. Privacy concerns, as drones can be used for surveillance. Legal restrictions, as many areas have strict drone regulations. Battery life limitations requiring frequent recharging or battery swaps. Customers have given their thoughts regarding the product. After considering the technology, real-world applications, and current challenges, I'd rate multi-purpose drones 4.5 out of 5 stars. They're incredibly useful and efficient, but privacy concerns, regulations, and high costs could limit wider adoption. Drones are evolving beyond just being a gadget. They're becoming essential tools in industries like security, healthcare, and logistics. If regulations keep up with innovation, we might see even more incredible applications in the near future. Would you use a multi-purpose drone for work or personal use? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights.